I have a Husqvarna Viking 6440 for sale. These machines are awesome, have many different stitch patterns with the cams. You'll get the A, B, C, D cam, screwdriver, the extension table, and a little drawer there, as well as the case that comes with it. So this machine, let me go over a couple of the features. It has all these different settings for the different stitches. It sews up to a 6mm length, which is longer than a lot of other machines that only go up to 4mm. Has a 0 to 4 zigzag stitch width. This machine has, of course, as with all the Vikings here, the reduction gearing system here that you just pull out on the bobbin winder. It engages a set of reduction gears that gives you 3 times the power, 1/5 of the speed. And all these knobs and functions work perfectly. The bobbin winder over here works fine. The knobs move freely, they're silky smooth. You can even hear it lock in each setting. And this turns fine here. Also have the reverse button here. This works fine. It's not stuck or anything. 0 to 4 stitch width. It's got a feed dog drop right here. Works fine. And you know, we have our thread tension here as well as our presser foot tension over here. The only flaws with this machine are some chipping to the paint in places, such as on the handle here. But we'll go over some of the sewing here so you can see how this machine performs. So as you can see here, I've already stitched out some of these patterns on 2 layers of nylon webbing. We're going to use this yellow webbing over here so you can see it stitch in action. Okay, here we have our 2 layers of webbing. I'm going to put this under the presser foot here. There we go. Going to lower it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're just going to sew in the straight stitch here. We'll sew at about a 4 length. And here we go. Oh, and it just, and that's in the reduction gearing mode. So to take it out of that, we just push in. Here we go. We can sew super fast. Awesome. So now for the zigzag mode, we'll just set this over to 4. Here we go. Awesome. Alright, now I'm going to put the A cam in and show you how to sew a stitch pattern. So to put the cam in, this also comes with the manual right here. This will show you how to do all this, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we're going to turn the, first before we turn the unit around, this knob right here has to be set on the white dot right here. It kind of disengages the stuff in the back so you can put the cam in. Here we go. And you just kind of twist it till it gets in, you feel it lock. Okay, now let's see, how about we stitch the red setting? So I'm going to turn this to the red on the A cam. Oops. Let's make sure that's all the way in there. There we go. Alright. Oh. And you do have to make sure the zigzag's on 0 when you switch the cams. I didn't do that, but it should work fine. Alright, and then we have to turn stitch length to the red, which is right here. And then the zigzag to the red, right there. Alright, so it should stitch the red pattern right there. Here we go. This is some really heavy, dense stitching that it makes. Let's go ahead and look at that. Here we go. Pretty awesome. So there it is. Get this awesome, clean, tuned, and tested machine while you can.